A junior analyst once spent nearly 4 hours compiling a report from scattered spreadsheets, collecting numbers, summarizing insights, and formatting everything manually. Meanwhile, her manager opened a generative AI tool, typed a few well-structured prompts, and generated the same insights in under 10 minutes. Both were appreciated for their work at first, but over time, something interesting happened. The manager who understood how to work with AI started taking on bigger projects, faster deadlines, and more strategic decisions, while others were still spending hours doing the tasks that AI could finish in minutes. And this isn't a rare situation. It's happening in teams across industries right now. AI isn't simply replacing jobs. It's changing who moves ahead faster. Industry analysts predict that by 2026, nearly 80% of the companies will integrate generative AI into their workflows. Across roles like marketing, analytics, software development, and content creation, AI is already helping professionals complete tasks 40 to 70% faster. But here's a catch. These productivity gains don't come automatically. They come from people who understand how to communicate with AI systems effectively through clear prompts, the right model settings, and smart experimentation. Those who learn these skills become incredibly valuable, while others risk falling behind in a rapidly changing workplace. Generative AI works by transferring simple natural language prompts into powerful outputs. With the right instructions, AI can generate blog articles, marketing campaigns, product visuals, data summaries, or even working code. Platforms like Google Cloud's Vertex AI Studio allows users to experiment with advanced AI models directly into the browser, but getting strong results isn't just about typing random prompts. It requires understanding prompt engineering, model behavior, and turning techniques that guide AI towards better outputs. Once you understand these fundamentals, AI becomes less of a mystery and more of a powerful tool you can control. If you're curious about building these skills, there is a beginner-friendly option available. SkillUp by Simplilearn offers a free generative AI course designed to introduce these concepts in simple and practical way. The course includes about 1 hour of self-paced video lessons, making it easy to complete even with a busy schedule. Once you finish the program, you'll receive a Google Cloud-powered completion certificate that you can add in your LinkedIn profile or resume. The course begins with a clear instruction to generative AI. You will learn how it differs from traditional machine learning and why it has become such a powerful technology for creating content, images, codes, and insights. You'll also explore real-world application of generative AI across areas like marketing automation, content creation, and data analytics. Next, the course introduces Generative AI Studio within Google Cloud's Vertex AI platforms. This allows you to experiment with AI models through a browser interface without needing complex infrastructure or programming knowledge. From there, you will dive into prompt engineering, one of the most important skills in modern AI workflows. You'll learn techniques like zero-shot prompting, where you can give AI a task with minimal instruction, few-shot prompting that uses examples to guide the model, and chain of thought prompting that helps AI reason through multi-step problems. The course also introduces key tuning concepts used when working with AI models. You'll see how parameters like temperature influence creativity and how other settings help balance precision, creativity, and consistency, which becomes important in professional AI applications. Throughout the course, you will see demonstration of how generative AI can produce real outputs such as blog articles, marketing copy, product visuals, and code snippets. More importantly, you will start developing the judgment to recognize when AI inputs are useful and when they still need refinement. The ability is what separates casual users from professionals who truly understand AI tools. This course is useful for a wide range of learners. It's ideal for students curious about AI, professionals exploring new technology, marketers and content creators, data analysts, developers, or anyone interested in understanding how generative AI tools works. Even if you're completely new to AI, this course offers a simple starting point that helps you begin experimenting with these tools confidently. Generative AI is quickly becoming part of everyday work across industries. People who understand how to guide these systems will have clear advantage in how they solve problems, create content, and explore ideas. Learning the basic doesn't take months. Sometimes it begins with a small step, like to understand how to write a better prompt and experiment with AI models. And this free course from SimpliLearn SkillUp is a simple way to begin that journey. So if you're curious about how generative AI works and how people are already using it to work faster and smarter, click the link in the description, enroll for free, and take your first step towards understanding one of the most important technologies shaping the future of work.